Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This week we're going to be doing something just a little bit different, and that is that I have teamed up with my fellow Fairy Godrunners and we have made a video series for you guys that you are not going to want to miss. So if you want to join in on the fun, then keep on watching. Now you might be asking yourself, hey Taryn, who are the Fairy Godrunners, or what is a Fairy Godrunner? And that's a great question. Fairy Godrunners is a group of ladies that are all fans of Disney, and we are also Be by Bibbidi brand reps, which is a Disney inspired athletic line designed by the women over at Bibbidi Boxes. Most of the ladies have come together during this time because we were all preparing for Run Disney races. Now that that is not happening, we just have really focused on our own fitness journeys, pulling together and collaborating with each other and coming up with some really fun recipes, great workouts, and just like sharing some really awesome like gains, things that we're struggling with so that we can all help each other. And hopefully we can help you guys too. Be by Bibbidi has an amazing line of clothing that is very high quality and super fun fabrics and styles. And they're always coming out with more designs, which is so much fun. They always have bras and matching pant sets like this one. They always have pockets, which is really, really nice. And the bras are so much fun. They have really cool designs. Some of my favorites, but if you'd like to save 20% on their fitness line, then you can use the code TheFairyGodrunners and save 20% today. This video is going to be all about our favorite healthy foods. Some of us have made breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and of course dessert. And so today I am going to be making apple slice cookies, and I'm really excited because the recipe is super simple and easy. And if you're anything like me and you can't go without dessert or a little sweet snack, then let's get in the kitchen. So the recipe is super simple. Basically all you need is an apple, some coconut that's shredded, unsweetened, some mini chocolate chips, and then some peanut butter. I prefer to buy the little Jif packs just because it's easier for me. I already know how much is in it and it's easy to just like close up and whatnot. And of course, a knife. Be careful, please. So this usually makes about 4. You can save the other side and just eat it as little pieces. All right, we're done. And how quick and easy was that? Now you have 4 cookies to eat that'll satisfy any sweet tooth. Enjoy. It's so good. If you want to make this recipe at home, you can also find it down below in the description. All right, exciting news. So every month we choose a fitness fairy, and that is part of our Bibbidi Be by Bibbidi giveaway. And so this month's giveaway winner is Chopper Girl 2010. Congratulations. I'm so excited for you, and I hope you love your Be by Bibbidi line as much as we do. If you'd like to enter this month's giveaway, then follow us on Instagram at Fairy Godrunners and be sure to tag us in your fitness post of the month, as well as use the hashtag #TheFairyGodrunners. I can't wait to see all of your posts, and I wish you guys the best of luck. All right, and now to talk about my own fitness journey. With quarantine and everything and being kind of stuck inside the house, it can have its challenges. I was going to the gym. I was attending Planet Fitness almost 4 to 5 days a week. I'm a full-time teacher. I teach kindergarten, so I'm usually quite busy there. Transitioning into at-home learning has been kind of difficult, but I've been trying to do some fitness at home. I have been going onto YouTube a lot and doing some online workouts using the weights that I have. I have resistance bands, which are really, really great for at home, doing squats and things like that. And I also have a medicine ball, which I use all the time. I do enjoy going for walks. I am an extrovert, so I absolutely need to be outside 99% of the time. So being inside is really, really hard for me right now. And I know I can't be outside all day, so I usually will get up in the morning and take my dog for a walk, and we will usually do like 1 or 2 miles of walking, and then we'll come back and I'll usually do my fitness videos then. I will say one of the hardest parts of the journey so far being in quarantine has been just nutrition. I am noticing that we have not been eating out, so that has helped with our calories. I also don't really eat a lot of snacks throughout the day. When I was teaching, being around 5-year-olds all day, it is very difficult to not want a snack, especially since they're eating Oreos and cookies and chips and everything every 2 seconds in front of you. It's really, really hard. However, being able to go to the grocery store with my husband and being able to come up with meals and stuff has been really fun. And we also have an air fryer, so we've been using that more, and that has been really nice to have as well. But just sticking to high protein and vegetables during this time, having pasta in moderation, since I could literally eat it every day, has been a struggle, but we're doing it. And just keeping up with not sitting all day. I try to be creative, so we've been cleaning the house a lot, trying to do a lot of photo shoots and crafting. I do a lot of work with school, so I'm always kind of either in a chair or something, so being able to go outside has really been helpful. One of the things that is really important that I have been having the hardest time with is just going to bed on time and waking up at a normal hour. We are working on trying to get up around 8:30 to 10 o'clock. I usually will have like a shake or something for breakfast. We've been making smoothies, which is really nice. One of my other snacks that I absolutely love is just taking a chocolate rice cake and putting my peanut butter on it, and that just gets me through the whole morning. For the afternoon time, I find that if I get my workout in the morning, then I feel like rested and rejuvenated for the rest of the day to get stuff done. If I worked out and then I decide I want to clean, I'm already dirty and kind of sweaty, so like I don't feel bad. I don't feel like I'm like ruining my makeup or anything that I worked really hard on and didn't get to go anywhere. And just trying to get to bed on time. I will not lie, Netflix has been the worst thing for me. I could sit and watch shows all day long, and so I have to tell myself to turn it off at like 10 or 11 and just get to bed and try to shut my mind off, put the phone away, and just go to sleep. So that has been one of my biggest struggles, is just getting off of the technology and going to sleep and staying on a schedule. So if that is something that you are also struggling with, I find that journaling or writing down notes or going to bed and like writing down, taking a notebook and writing or drawing, that's when I kind of schedule for my next day instead of going on my phone. That has been really helpful. So I suggest that you can try that as well at home and let me know if it works for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. It has been so much fun making this for you guys. If you do want to receive 20% off your next purchase of Be by Bibbidi merchandise, you can use the code TheFairyGodrunners on your next purchase, and that will save 20%. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video, share with your friends, write some comments down below, and of course, tap on that bell just so that it will notify you when I put out my next video. Don't forget to enter our giveaway for the Fitness Fairy of the Month, and good luck. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.